Hi Tanya,
Hi Mario.
how are you today?
Fine, thank you. And you?
I'm really good.
Okay, that's so good. So I met you 4 years ago, but I don't know where are you from. Where are you from?
Well, I'm from Except Masada.
Uh-huh.
I am living here since 3 years.
Uh-huh.
And what about you? I don't know.
Well, I am from Temucingo, near for East Coast to Zapotlazar.
Yeah.
And my career is here in Toluca. So I arrived here in Toluca 4 years ago when I started to study the high school.
Yeah. What do you study, man?
I'm studying automotive design engineering. Yeah. And it's very interesting career for me because I think that I found something that I really like. I'm studying right now the behavior of the straight materials that has to do with auto part, the motion of the objects that are that has a rotation motion.
Okay.
That has to do with dynamics, and dynamics is one of my
You
assignments.
study dynamics right now? In this
It's one of my assignments. Has to do, and the strength of materials. It has to do with material mechanics. It's another assignment.
I wanted to study the same thing that you made. But this consists in nanotechnology and chemistry science that consists in make nanomaterials. But this nanomaterial have a intelligent or is a smart materials. But right now I'm studying biotechnology engineer. And when I began the high school, I don't know what I studied, but I chose the biotechnology because have the same materials, same subjects, same signatures with nanotechnology and chemical science. And this career consists into work with animals, with the bacteria, with the virus, and could be a modificate its DNA. Yeah, and these are many things that I do it. Well, I am studying right now English business. I don't know. I think that it's not necessary. Or can you help me if I necessary this subject?
Well, I have the same difficulties than you, but I think my career has its own language,
Yeah.
its own vocabulary, because I think every career has its own vocabulary. But I think that at the end, the business is. I think that it's important in every career because whatever you study, you if you don't want or if you don't like, you have to sell your product or something like that.
Maybe in the future.
In the future, right now. But I think that it's too basic to study. But right now, for example, in my career, I'm really interested about to learn my own vocabulary that has to do with my career, with making auto parts of parts of a mechanism that has to do with that language.
Yeah, the same as you. I think that is more important to understand for me biology or the same biology vocabulary. But I don't know. In the future, could be used this kind of vocabulary of business. Yeah. For example, if I wanted to put one company, I think that I need to understand many vocabulary in English. I don't know. Yeah.
Well, I think that I think the same like you. So I think it's on all has to do with our with our work and the situation about where are where are we working
Yeah, I don't know, could be in the future. I
in
can
the
go with
future.
you and you with me.
In the future, maybe.
Yeah, no.
Yeah. Well, nice to meet you, or
See you
see
later.
you
Man.
later.
See.